Hi everyone, this is a video on how to use and apply environment and also how to make a quick topography using images. So for this purpose of this video, I'm using the newest version of the 3ds Max, which is the 3ds Max 2023. So first of all, we can go to what is called a tangrams Heightmapper. So I will put this linked onto the YouTube description box, or if not, you can search Heightmapper and then the first one, and you can see this as the page. So it's the same thing. So here you can put the map lines so you're not confused, map labels so you know which country it is, or you can go to where it has more topography. So let's say here. And we can export it. Save it here. So we can go back to the 3ds Max. What we can do, first of all, we put that on hold and we go to rendering, we go to material editor and state material editor. So basically I have that's why it didn't came out. So let's do it one more time. That's the one. So after this, you don't have to delete this, just click in here somewhere, click right and create name view, and you can rename it however you want, and you search HDRI environment, click, drag and drop it, and it will show you the HDRI files that is embedded already by default in the 3ds Max file. So you can use whatever you want to use. You have the Winter Lake or the Shanghai background, or the harbor, or the road, square. You can download this as well on Chrome or the internet and put it here. Let's try this for example, or this, and open. We go to rendering and environment. So we have this environment map. So what you want to do is basically out and put it here, and you want to do instance and OK. And notice the background has changed now, and you have the quick environment on the square for a background rendering, for a quick background rendering. So let's, for example, save that. So go to standard. Would still have that. And so let's say this is your building and you want to have a quick terrain, and you can put so if you want a quick terrain, you can put a plane, for example. So after that, after you created a plane and you want to go to modify list and displays, not a displays mesh but just ordinary displays, and have this image. You can use you can go bitmap and go to general, drag and drop it, and it will open up like the file text box, and you can choose the file pop-up page, and you can choose which file you want to choose, or to make it simpler, you can just go to the file and to the folder that you want to do, and just click drag and drop it, and it will do it automatically. So let's say you have this bitmap that you want to do, and notice in the displays there is like an image and map, and that's what you want to do as well, similarly to the environment. So drag and drop the output to the map and instance and OK. So notice that there is no change to the plane. That's because we haven't put any strength at all. So what you want to do is you go to the website again, and let's see here, the maximum elevation is 1799 and the minimum elevation is 0, so we can just put this number 1799 to the strength because it's in meter, so we can just put the thing, enter, and that is your quick topography without getting and extracting from OSIM data. And that's your quick topography with, let's say for example, there's a matching background that you downloaded from the internet and you put as the environment, and that's like your quick basically modeling for the environment with the topography. Maybe we can do what is called turbo smooth, but it's not gonna be, not gonna be so accurate, but yeah, you can play around with the iterations. For example, maybe if you want that crazy incline and jagged lines, then you can have it. And that's it on how to model and do a quick environment and topography in 3ds Max. Thank you, and see you in the next video.